Hi everyone, I'm Lina. I'm here in Spain in the cheapest marina that I have heard of. It's called Club Náutico de Gallineras. That's the English pronunciation. As you know, double L in Spanish is pronounced as a E, so that would be then Club Náutico de Gallineras. And this marina cost only €12 per night. Unbelievable, and that is in peak season in August. And I'm gonna show you footage of the marina now. This is the town of San Fernando. It's a remarkable town, nothing special about it, except that it's very useful for laundry, for shopping and basic things. It has also lots of useful things for the boat. As you can see here, there are different types of boats. Most of the boats here are fishing vessels which have been adapted for family holidays. From what we saw in the past few days, it's mainly Spanish people who come here and they use them for weekend holiday homes. Lots of kids here on the weekend, jumping in and out of these boats, jumping in the water. And we're the only foreign boat here at the moment. It's deep in the river, so I guess foreign people don't want to bother with this. And we actually just wanted to explore what is going on. So we found out this marina here. When they told us it's €12 per night, we couldn't believe our luck. We're the only foreign boat here, and nobody here speaks English. Nobody from the staff, nobody from the guests and from the people who live here permanently. So we had to put our Spanish to the test. We're quite far up the river, but we're not exactly at the end of the river. There is furthermore of the river going in that direction. And we just thought that we will show you this marina so you know about it, and if you want to have a rest between Cadiz and Gibraltar, it's a very useful place. It's closer to Cadiz than Gibraltar. Gibraltar is around 60 nautical miles from here. Still, it's very useful if you just want to take it easy on your way to Gibraltar. This is our boat here. I'm filming this video for the channel. Ali is struggling to get the drone working. We don't know why our drone is not working today, and we really wanted to take a drone footage. So this is where they put us here. This is the mooring here for the temporary vessels. And every single vessel has water and power. This is the outlet to the Atlantic Ocean here. In that direction is the famous Sancti Petri, which is a ghost village, and it has a stadium there. Every single night so far there have been rock concerts with various celebrities like Rock Stewart. Last night there were the Gypsy Kings, and this is the first pontoon or the last pontoon. This is the red buoy here. The green buoy is over there. You can see it in the distance, and this is the second pontoon, and then this is the temporary pontoon here. Notice that there are no cleats, and they do this deliberately. What they want to do, they have a conversation with the person, and I guess if you manage to convince them to stay here, they bring you cleats. That's what they did with us. When we approached the pontoon, the guy started waving and saying, no, no, no. We were like, we just want diesel and water. And then he said, well, you can have water only if you stay here. And then we said, okay, we'll stay here then, because we need water. And then that's how he agreed. If we had asked actually to stay here for the night, he would have said no, but because we asked just to take water, and then he said, well, you have to stay here, so he agreed to keep us for one night. And then the following night we just said that we want to extend for another one, and then for another one. So there are no cleats anyway until they agree that you stay here, and then they bring the cleats. They want all the full documents if you're with a British registration. That's our famous westerly here. We gave up on the drone. I can see that Al has gone below deck. We tried all morning to get the drone working. And there is a water taxi here run by the local people, by the staff. They're called Marinero, similar to a sailor. I thought Marinero is just a sailor, but they are also called Marinero. And they run this water taxi which takes people down the river and up the river. This is not the end of the river. The river continues further down. So I don't know where it ends. We haven't been further than this. It's very shallow in places. As you can see, the land is over there. And we got aground only once so far, and then at the tide we picked up. The sea bottom is safe, it's mud, lots of fish. I've never seen so many fish in the water as it is in this marina here, and I guess because it's the muddy sea bottom that the fish feed on. Packed with fish, and every night they're eating the growth on the boat. Hopefully they have cleared a lot of that growth that we had. Look at that, look how much fish there is. Crazy. And all night the fish is jumping in the water. I don't know if this fish is edible. I'm really surprised that no one has caught it, but personally I wouldn't want to eat a fish which is from the marina. You know why. I don't want to explain in detail. So this is where the entrance to the marina is, and that is the road there to the town of San Fernando, where all those palm trees are. The marina doesn't offer laundrette, doesn't offer showers, doesn't offer toilets. The toilets are in that restaurant over there, but that restaurant is not 24 hours. There are no showers. When I asked the guy if they have any showers, he actually said, use the hose pipe, that's your shower here. And there is no laundrette. The laundrette is in town. So this is it from us from Club Náutico de Gallineras. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it useful. If you have, give us a like. Don't be mean-hearted. Do something to support us. The way we're trying really hard to give you information and to give you accurate information about what is going on here on the Atlantic coast of Spain. Bye! Catch up soon!